Hi, it's Jared, LearnToWinTrading.com. This is the market review for Friday, March 13th. Today was a great morning for trading. We had fun in the market today. Wanted to show you real quick here something. One of my favorite trades to do is what we call a boss, breakout stair step. And it's with this whole stair step type of pattern we teach, but there are a few different qualifications for this to make it a boss. And my favorite setup here is when two candles meet together at the exact same price, and we take it as it breaks out. And generally when I do this, I'm only in it for just a short, small half point. I just want to catch the momentum as it busts through there and just take a little bit of profit. Well, that's what I did here. Boom, half point got filled, and that was just a fun trade as it kicked through there. Obviously, it sucked back real quick and then continued to go, and that will happen at times, but most of the time it goes a little further than that. But these are the type of trades that I just pick some of the scraps out. I just grab a little piece. So I made a half point there, and to keep in mind, this is actually trading the Russell today, the Emini Russell 2000. So a half point here is actually worth $50 per contract. And we've got 5 ticks making this half point here. So 1 point is 10 ticks on this, $10 a tick. So that was a good little profit there. Coming into this next trade setup, this was another fun one, and I love this one for a couple reasons. And I'm looking at the 1 minute chart here because it set it up so wonderfully. We've got our TC happening here. TC, something that I'll teach you more about in classes, and we have a line of support happening here. So we've got two things working for us. We've got a confirmation of strength, showing that the bears are pushing this thing down. And then we have a support line that if it's to break, it is likely to continue to run a ways. And when we've got this TC coming right into the support, this is one of my favorite setups because usually it will hit the support or resistance if it's going the other way, bounce off a little bit, and then turn around. If it's going to do this, turn around and kick back through it the second time. And the second time is my favorite time to enter into these trades. Well, that's what happened here. We have a beautiful signal, and if you enter this the way I teach our students, you would have been in, sorry about that, you would have been in right here going short, and you could have picked up a good 3.5 points on this going short. I got 2 points off of this, a lot more than I generally do on the Russell. Most of the time I'm looking to at least make a point on the Russell, but had a wonderful push down and saw the strength, so I extend my profit target. So 2 points there. So for the day, 2.5 points on the Russell. 2.5 points is a pretty good profit there out of the Russell. So we had a great time here. All that happened within the first 35 minutes of the market. So, you can't complain with that. Give you a little idea with the Russell here. If you're looking at 2.5 points, if you're trading one contract, 1 point is worth $100. Okay? So the more contracts you start adding to it, it's just going to increase the profit you make per point. So at 2.5 points with one contract, you're looking at $250 within the first 35 minutes of the market. Just imagine now that you've been trading a while and you've been able to be consistent, so you start adding contracts to your account. When you start trading, let's say, just say for example, you get to 10 contracts, well then now you're rolling in the money because you're looking at $2,500 in the first 35 minutes of the market. This is how powerful day trading can be. Now, I don't want to sell you on a get-rich-quick scheme. It's most of the time it takes people a little while to build an account that can support trading 10 contracts. But in our school, we're going to show you how you can put together a plan, a realistic plan to be able to get there, and how to train your focus so that you focus on the right things, the discipline, the money management, and the strategy, so that you become a successful day trader with this type of trading. Go to our day trading videos. We have a free day trading crash course. You can enter that at www.learntowintrading/training. And there's a variety of videos that we've put together that go over our strategy and allow you to get a better idea of what we do in our school. Hope to see you there. Till then, have a wonderful day.